Ayan, good evening po sa ating lahat. At luto na po ang ating macaroni soup and this is our dinner for tonight. So, dahil meron si Bagyong Paulo, kaya naisipan na lang namin magsopas lalo't malamig ngayong panahon. Yes. Anong paborito yung ingredients ng sopas ninyo? Yung iba kasi gusto nila yung may chicken. Siyempre, mas masarap kung chicken with egg at hotdog and then yung carrots and cabbage and the macaroni, di ba? Mas kompleto, mas masarap. Pero dahil mabilisan na nga lang ang pamamalengke, kaya ganito na lang yung ingredients ng ating sopas, which is egg and hotdog and cabbage and macaroni together with eba. Paborito rin to ng aking anak na si Swaigan. Say hello, guys. You love it? Is it yummy? Is it yummy, the macaroni soup? Yes. Wow, pinapashow pa talaga niya. See? Okay, it's still hot, baby. Let Dada blow it first and then give it to you, okay? There. Come on, eat now. Ayan po. Enjoy your dinner too. Bye.